How to set financial goals in Money Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to set financial goals in the Money Manager app so you can stay focused, save smarter, and reach your money milestones faster. Let's dive right in. First, launch the Money Manager app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to track your financial goals. Now you can go to Accounts tab. This is right here. Okay, tap on it. Now you can see tap this plus icon at the top right corner to add a new wallet and name it after your goal. Okay, you can just tap on this others and you can just name it, like you can add trip to Busan. Once you add it, you can add the amount like this. Tap on the save right here. You can just record or transfer from your main wallet like Cancer Bank into your goal wallet. Like you can just tap on here and tap on this, and you can just tap on this transfer right here and just into the amount you want to transfer like this. Like you can just go from your card, okay, to your trip to Busan. You just create it right here and add a note and description and save it. These transfers don't count as expenses, they just help you move money toward your target, and you'll be able to see your progress update as you contribute more funds. And that's it. You have now set a financial goal in Money Manager. If this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.